Welcome in Better Talks. When you lose the eyes of ego, you see with the eyes of God, by explaining this quote. This quote suggests that when we let go of our ego's influence, we can see the world from a higher perspective, similar to how God or a higher power might see it. Here's a breakdown. Lose the eyes of ego. The ego refers to our individual sense of self-importance, pride, and self-centeredness. When we lose our ego, we humble ourselves and release our attachment to our own biases, desires, and limitations. See with the eyes of God. This phrase metaphorically means perceiving the world from a divine or universal perspective. It implies a broader understanding, compassion, and wisdom that transcends human limitations. In essence, the quote encourages us to 1. Let go of self-centeredness and pride. 2. Adopt a humble and open-minded attitude. 3. See the world from a higher perspective, considering the interconnectedness and oneness of all things. After letting go of the ego and seeing with the eyes of God, several things can happen. 1. Deeper understanding and connection. You may experience a sense of unity and connection with others, nature, and the universe. 2. Increased empathy and compassion. You may feel more kindness, love, and concern for others, leading to stronger relationships and a greater sense of community. 3. Inner peace and calm. By transcending ego-based fears and desires, you may find inner peace, serenity, and contentment. 4. Guidance from intuition. You may become more attuned to your intuition, receiving guidance from a higher power or your inner self. 5. Selflessness and service. You may feel a greater desire to help others, contribute to the greater good, and make a positive impact. 6. Spiritual growth and awakening. You may experience a deeper connection to your spiritual nature, leading to personal growth, enlightenment, or self-realization. 7. New perspectives and insights. You may gain fresh insights, see things from new angles, and find creative solutions to problems. 8. Less attachment to material possessions. You may become less focused on material wealth and possessions, finding joy in simplicity and what truly matters. 9. Greater sense of purpose. You may discover a deeper sense of purpose, meaning, and direction in life. 10. Transcendence of limitations. You may experience a sense of freedom from ego-based limitations, allowing you to reach new heights and achieve your full potential. Thank you for watching, so like, share, and comment for your precious opinions.